Good morning, children. I'm your English teacher, Josephine James. Today we are going to see or learn about the poem Beyond the Universe. I guess you know what is universe. We just studied about universe. Universe consists of all the planets, moons, stars, galaxies. Okay. So in this poem, the poet is dreaming. He wants to fly beyond the universe. Okay, we all dream. Do you dream, children? I do dream. But this dream is something really special. He dreams he wants to fly beyond the earth and he wants to see the creator of the magnificent display. So let's see how and where all he travels in his dream to see the magnificent display creator. I dream of flying beyond the earth amidst the planets and the countless stars. What is amidst? Amidst is between. So he dreams of flying beyond the earth and between the planets and the countless stars. Just imagine, children, how it will be when we fly in between these stars. So where he's flying, I would stop by the red planet Mars, where we dream of a home away from home. So he's flying between the planets and the countless stars, and he is stopping at the red planet. Mars, it's called as the red planet. Here the poet is mentioning home away from home. Why so he's mentioning like that? Because there are research happening to check if there are some possibility for human to live in Mars. So he wants to fly through the countless stars and stop at Mars. From there he starts and fly on to watch the Saturn with its rings and moons. Like Earth, all other planets have moons. And the speciality of the Saturn is its beautiful, colorful ring. So the poet watched the Saturn with its rings and the moons. The poet watched the colorful ring and its moons. Then again he starts his travel. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that looked like marbles. What's the meaning of marveled? Astonished or wondered. He's just wondering, my God, how beautiful it is. Have you seen marbles, children? Yeah, see, actually this is how the Jupiter looks like. There's a red giant spot on Jupiter, but now the size is reducing. But so the poet is astonished by seeing the beauty of Jupiter. Hurling through a belt of asteroids, I cross Uranus without a fuss. What is hurling? Hurling is lot of difficulty. So the poet is he is traveling to Uranus, crossing all these asteroids. The asteroids are all these small stones. It's all flying, but he's crossing all these asteroids and he's crossing the Uranus. After crossing Uranus, where is he flying? To Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy. So where is our poet now? So he traveled. He started from Earth. He crossed Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Now Neptune. So this is how the Neptune looks like. It's called the blue ice chain because it contains more amount of icy cores than gas. The poet is starting from Neptune to meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way to voyage across the galaxies. What an imagination! See, actually, we do imagine or we do plan, like, going to our uncle house, aunt's house. But have you ever planned, like, traveling to these places? Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed this chapter, and your imagination should also be like this poet. You should always imagine for the best, dream for the best. Okay, children, I will meet you in the next class. Bye bye.